quick breakdown on the roundhouse kick is this. Look at the line again here, okay? The line. You turn, you snap. So, here. That's a basic roundhouse kick right here. You don't want to lean this way. You don't want to lean forward. You definitely don't want to step first. You want to take off, and as soon as you take off, you pivot, turn, you snap this foot, and you snap your leg. Make sure the snap comes back and then down. You want to finish your kick like a true professional. Your roundhouse kick is finished, right? Okay, so that's the roundhouse kick. Okay, that's the most basic thing you guys gotta know before.
Rule number 1, the straight line. Look at the lines on the ground. Here in slow motion for y'all that missed it. Never mind the extra spin kick and the fact that I do 3 kicks in the time that it takes him to do 2.
I think it's time for you gentlemen to leave.